Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Cadillac XT5 can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now, let me show you how we complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by removing the fascia trim using a 7mm socket. To make clearance for the bracket on the hitch, remove one 7mm screw on the driver's side of the trim panel. We are now ready to check the access hole to see if our hardware will fit. In this case, our hardware does not. As per the directions, we will enlarge the hole with a step drill bit. Now repeat for the other side. We are now ready to fish wire our hardware. Carriage spacer, carriage bolt, fish wire. Begin with the forwardmost access hole on the frame. First install the spacer, and then your carriage bolt. Now pull your bolt through. Repeat these steps on the remaining hardware. Now repeat for the driver's side. Place a spacer, twist on your carriage bolt. Pull the bolt through the spacer. We are now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we do recommend that you get a second set of hands. The hitch is heavy. Gently pull back on the fascia to make clearance for the bracket. You can now pass your fish wires through the holes in the hitch plate. Now finish raising the hitch into place and line up the bolts with the holes in the hitch plate. Now repeat for the other side. Now install the conical tooth washer with the teeth facing the plate and the nut. Remove the fish wire from the bolt. Now repeat for the other side. Using a 19mm socket and a 6-inch extension, torque the hardware to manufacturer's specifications. We will link them in the description below. Return one 7mm screw on the driver's side of the trim panel. Return the fascia trim. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 19 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.